I am in the truck and I am driving to Mexico. I'm going to get some medical stuff done and we'll see how this goes today. So yeah, let's go to Mexico. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. You can see all these billboards are for dental clinics in Los Algodones, Mexico. All along the freeway here, all along the highway. In fact, this is the billboard here is the clinic I'm actually going to, Simply Dental in Mexico. Algondones Road, Highway 186. So no weapons. Guns are illegal in Mexico. Medical marijuana is illegal to bring into Mexico or to bring back into the United States. And then this is the parking lot for the border. The little town in California is called Andrade, and in Mexico it's Los Algodones. Hi there, how are you?
It's all right. Have a good day.
Thank you. So $6. $6 to park for the day at the border. All right, here we go. Bienvenidos. Border crossing, Los Algodones. All right, so I've crossed into Mexico. I'm in Los Algodones, and it's all Americans crossing the borders. Right?
Hey, how are you guys? Welcome to Algondones.
Yeah. And I mean, as soon as you cross the border, there are just medical clinic after medical clinic, dental clinic after dental clinic, as soon as you cross the border. See, look here, it's dental and optical. And then there's giant pharmacies.
Buenos días, señora.
Ah, buenos días. And of course, everybody wants you to come in and buy something. So there are something like 400 dental clinics in Los Algodones. And the thing that makes it so nice is that everything is centrally located. And so you can just walk. You just park your car and walk across the border, and then all the offices are just within a few blocks of the border. So I'm headed to my first stop, which is a dental clinic, gonna get my teeth cleaned, and it's just right down here. Lots of colorful things for sale. Uh-huh.
Okay, buddy.
Take care.
Have a good one. Okay.
Okay, so here I am, Simply Dental. Gonna go in and get checked in. Lorena is here and she is offering everybody these ginormous donuts.
Yeah.
Simply Dental. All right. And then this is the technician?
Dental assistant.
Dental assistant. And what is your
My
name?
name is Jesus.
Jesus. All right, mucho gusto.
Nice to meet you, man.
And this is where we're going to come in and have the appointments.
The painless chair.
Yeah, painless chair, exactly. Got a bib on. And now he's putting on his mask. So we're all safe. good. It's very, very good. Much, much better. Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Jesus.
You're welcome.
Yay.
Take care.
You guys did a great job. All right, so I have clean teeth. They did a great job there at Simply Dental, just like they did last year. $35. And I have clean teeth. And now I am heading to a doctor's office. Oh, look at all this. Goodness. Wow, it's cool. So colorful, huh?
Hey there. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
María.
So this is the lab, Laboratorio Machado. And I'm going to see Dr. Flores, I think. All right. Got my sample ready. Going to go turn it in and start this blood and urine complete workup. Lots of blood taken. Very nice technician. All right, we'll get our blood taken and then probably tomorrow we'll get some results. All right, so I have 4 pages of lab results and I'm waiting to see the doctor to go over all of these results from blood and urine samples that I gave. Oh, such an interesting visit. So I went to the laboratory and I spoke with the doctor to go over the results, and she was not feeling equipped to take care of my issue with the thyroid, and she sent me to see an internal medicine doctor, Jorge Cochran, and it was just maybe a block and a half down the road, and he was available, and he spent more than an hour with me going over all the results of my test, 4 pages. He had a lot of recommendations, and I got a new prescription for my thyroid med. So I got maybe 4 or 5 months worth of medication, and then I'm going to have the tests done again to make sure that I'm on the right dosage. So yeah,
What else?
that's it. That's all we
Come out
got.
on video?
Yeah.
That's right.
All right, man. So now we are heading to cross the border. All busy. And now I'm heading back through the border. It's really important that you have your passport. Don't forget your passport. You will not be able to get back into the U.S. All right, you guys, so I am back in Yuma in my trailer. It's been a few days since I had all the medical stuff done, and it was all very, very successful, and I really wanted to show you how easy it is to go to Mexico to get medical stuff done. You drive to the border, it's all secure, you just walk across, and all the medical offices are within walking distance of the border. So I went first to get my lab work done. So I had urine and blood samples taken, and the results were 4 pages, complete blood work. And then I went to see a doctor, and the first doctor I saw, there was something in the results she thought I should see an internal medicine doctor for, so she sent me to a referral, and he was like 2 blocks away, and he was available. So the first doctor did not charge me. I spent probably 20 minutes with her, starting to go through all these results, and then she sent me to somebody else. She did not charge me. So then the second guy was available. He spent well over an hour with me going through all the results from this year and from last year, comparing, wanting to know the dosage of medication I took a year ago and then what I'm taking now. and he sent me away with 4 prescriptions. He charged me $40. So I got the prescriptions filled, and I got 8 months worth of thyroid meds plus 3 other medications. It was just over $100 to get all those prescriptions filled. And I got my teeth cleaned at a dental office. It's the same one I went to a year ago. And it was the same price. They still charge $35 to get your teeth cleaned. Such nice people. Everything's very professional. My teeth feel very clean. And then I went back to Mexico another time to have a spot removed from my nose. I actually had this spot frozen off at a clinic in California maybe 6 months ago, and another spot on the side of my face. They said it might come back. This one did not, but the one on my nose did. And so I went and saw a dermatology MD, and she used laser. And this is really just a few days ago, and you can see it's healing very, very well. So hopefully it will not return. And that appointment was $80. I mean, really, seriously, to see a dermatology MD for $80? Oh my gosh, it's just amazing. It makes you feel like it's such a joy to go. Everything's professional, it's easy, it's quick. You ask what you need, they tell you if they can do it. I really enjoy going there to get all of these things done, and I will probably go again next year. I'll probably be back in Yuma. So, all right, you guys, I hope you found that interesting. Thank you for escorting me through the streets of Mexico. I hope you remain safe and healthy. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.